So Silver's name is in the media again. The entertainer at this up on the spot media, viewers and subscribers are there things are going for the entertainer. Yeah man, we're gonna get straight into it, and on the spot media respond on a diss back Silver's. Viewers and subscribers, we also have Popcaan in this update, and we also have Kranium. So channel man, big up yourself like always, and remember, leave a subscribe if you're new. Yeah man, make we jump right into it.
The double clip paper. I want this but I try bait up. Take away your girl and eat beer fuck.
So I don't know how all this start, but all I know is that Silver's is set to release a song, or should I say a freestyle at this up on the spot media. Viewers and subscribers, Jaja. Silver's name is always in the media. But you know, one thing rate with Silver's is that from you call his name, he might go respond in a song, and that more obviously from the artist them. You see me? Yeah man, Silver's always running at the studio and a drop song for whoever I call up him name. I'm rate that.
Clip them ram like stadium. That had this all night Draco.
So after Silver's preview that freestyle on his IG, on the spot went straight to their IG and made this post. Rowan Reed, aka Charge Badness Beating Stick. Hashtag don't size up. Yeah man, on the spot at this up Silver's. Viewers and subscribers, Jaja. Them also said beating stick, and I'm supposed to know what that mean. Remember, you know, Silver's did get couple box up when I time them, you know. You see me? Yeah man, so I'm supposed to know what they mean when them say beating stick. You see me? But one thing rated Silver's is that you see anything that come across female, he might go in at the studio and drop song and capitalize on the moment. And that me rate with Silver's. Him nah do the bag talking for the media. Him rather go in at the studio and drop song. And that most of the artists them can't do. Them rather post a bag of IG story and attack a bag of things than go in at the studio and drop song. So viewers and subscribers only can look out for the freestyle, cause you don't know how Silver's get to work. Jaja and the spot at this him up back. No joke.
I want this but I try bait up. Take away your girl and eat beer fuck.
Cheers. I want to see a dance all around the world.
That is it.
A dance all around the place, you know, man. I want to
That is it.
the ice and them something.
Ice there, look. Up. Hennessy. Shot.
Yeah, put this in a chaser. Inside shot him a do.
Okay.
You want it?
Shot.
Yeah. Oh, shot them a deal with
Yeah, pan the rock. I'm gonna get a shot.
Ready. Wait, I'm not getting a shot yet. Okay. Where's the other?
The white one. Casamigos. I'm getting a shot. That is it. Shot. Yeah, man.
You know it, see? Yeah, but pull it up. When you that time, if you know something, you know that go. Yeah, pull it up. I think I got one more. I will pull it up.
Only for fuck carry.
Money, blessings.
Yeah, man.
Dancehall.
Greatness.
One bad shot. I want to do a two-shot. Whoa. I want to do a two-shot.
So Skeng, Tommy Lee, Spice and Chanel Muir, them link up and you know them a make a toast and them a enjoy the moment. Them a celebrate the culture, dancehall, you know. Yeah man, them a have a good time. So big up to the artists, them don't know unity is strength in dancehall. Yeah man, big up the artists, them, no joke. So Popcaan made this post to his IG and it says, Europe Tour 2012, God is real, with a prayer hand, emoji, and it's a picture of the unruly boss himself, Popcaan. Yeah man, the entertainer, a reminisce on the past and I remember 2012 when he went on tour. And I don't know say Popcaan they in the music game for years now. And him been a do it from day one. Yeah man, the unruly boss a fought from far. And uno don't know a beer work been a put in from day one. Yeah man, the unruly boss collab with top artists like Drake. You see me say you don't know say the unruly boss been a put in the work. So big up the unruly boss Popcaan. Yeah man, viewers and subscribers, make we continue. But first remember, leave a subscribe. So the saga continues between Kranium and the Caribbean Music Awards. The entertainer made this post to his IG and it says, "After reading the apology post by CMA, I realized that this was in fact a second attempt at disrespect. You mentioned the voting received by both artists, 40% versus 12%, without mentioning my streaming numbers compared to the other artists. Based on your statement, you were debating up to the week of the show if you should determine the winner by voting or streaming. This shows that there were no clear guidelines to determine a winner. It's clear that one artist had more votes and the other had more streams. What was the reason to switch an award after the fact if it was split in the middle? Seems to me that an organization that present themselves as professional at a program. Let me be very clear, this is not about an award or being heard. Me only drop 2 songs a year and me don't even have space for my wall. This is about being disrespected." Yeah man, so Kranium, I speak out once again upon the situation, you know. But viewers and subscribers, like always, remember, big up on yourself and leave a subscribe if you're new to the family, you see me? Yeah man, as always, catch you in another one.